This week on the Weekly Clarity Coaching, we're going to start coming to you in video form as well as the other format that we've used, which is predominantly email and links. And this week I wanted to mention an article that I had picked up on Business Wire a couple days ago that I thought was very interesting in that it had announced Charles Schwab, which is a large custodian like many different broker-dealers or large firms like your Fidelities and Vanguards, etc. They're a custodian, and they brought in the month of August, $62 billion of new inflows. That alone, to me, is quite interesting in the volatile market and climate that we're in right now. But what I find more interesting and partly alarming is the fact that 57% increase in the month of August for trading and a 37% increase in the month of July. What concerns me about this, ladies and gentlemen, is that there is a lot of news out there based on the current economic environment that's creating a lot of fear for people, and a lot of people are making trades and doing activity that they should not be pursuing. They're either instructing their advisors or brokers to make these trades, or these mutual fund managers are doing it on their own accord, trying to beat the market. This amount of trading is going to lead to an erosion of retirement accounts out there and people's buying power because of the sheer fees involved. Whether you're trading or your advisor's trading or the manager of the fund that you own is trading, if anybody's trading, there's costs that are taking place and being passed on to you. So this really concerns me. There is no underlying reason why that we're having the volatility in this country outside of political uncertainty. Dividends are good. There's all kinds of cash on companies on the sidelines. It's just they don't know which way to go because of our current political environment. So at this point, there's really no reason for this amount of volatility outside of public perception. And my concern is for those of you that are easily swayed or are swayed by some of this news, let me try to be the voice of reason and say, look, this too shall pass. This month, last month, the month before are going to be blips in the long-term picture of investing. So please don't make these mistakes. The only day that's important that the market's up is the day you pull the cash out. So, it's a paper loss until you lock it in. With that in mind, prudent investing always wins.